Rishikesh. Rishikesh is a peaceful city in India near the Himalayas. It sits by the holy river Ganges. Many also call it as the yoga capital of the world because visitors from all over the world come here to learn yoga and find peace. The green forests and big mountains make it a perfect place for calm and adventure. Rishikesh is in Uttarakhand state of India, just approximately 25 kilometers from Haridwar, another holy city. The holy city of Haridwar is bustling town renowned for its sacred prayers and rituals. Pilgrims from all faiths, particularly across northern India, visit to perform last rites for their departed loved ones or to fulfill various religious obligations. In contrast, Rishikesh, just a short distance away, exudes serenity with its abundance of yoga schools, meditation centers, and tranquil ashrams. Though geographically close, the two cities offer distinctly different experiences. One pulses with spiritual energy and lively devotion, while the other embraces peace and introspection. The yoga capital of the world, Rishikesh, offers the perfect mix of peace and adventure. Start your day with yoga and meditation sessions by the Ganges or join wellness retreat in serene ashrams. For thrill seekers, white water rafting on the Ganges is a must. Ride through exciting rapids surrounded by stunning Himalayan views. Do not miss the evening Ganga Aarti at Parmarth or Triveni Ghats. Peaceful river walks, ancient temples, and lively cafes. Rishikesh is a place to recharge, reconnect, and explore. Taking a holy dip in the Ganga river is a sacred ritual for many. Devotees also offer prayers to the sun god in the morning, a beautiful tradition known as aragya or offering water to the sun. You will see them cupping the river's water in their hands and letting it flow back while chanting sacred hymns. It doesn't matter where you are, in Rishikesh or in Haridwar. Among the many enchanting experiences Rishikesh has to offer, nothing draws crowds quite like the mesmerizing Ganga Aarti, held every evening at two sacred ghats, Parmarth Ghat and Triveni Ghat. This grand ritual captivates both devotees and travelers alike. At Parmarth Niketan Aarti, in a serene and devotional experience, priests chant sacred hymns and flickering lamps sway in rhythmic harmony. The gentle glow on the Ganges surface creates a deeply meditative atmosphere. At Parmarth Niketan's Ganga Aarti, the ceremony concludes with the heartful singing of India's national anthem. This meaningful tradition beautifully unites deep spiritual devotion with a profound sense of national pride, reflecting a harmonious blend of faith and patriotism. There is another ghat, and it is famous as Triveni Ghat, where the Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati meet. The Ganga Aarti at this venue is grand and vibrant. Massive flaming torches whirl in circles as powerful chants echo through the air. The electrifying energy leaves every visitor mesmerized. To truly enjoy the magical beauty of the Ganga Aarti, it is best to arrive early and find a spot close to the ceremony. Sitting nearby gives you a clear and close up view of the sacred rituals. You will be able to see the glowing lamps, hear the chants in perfect harmony, and feel the spiritual energy all around you. Whether you sit right next to the priest or watch from the farther away, the Ganga Aarti is a deeply moving experience that stays with you long after it is over. At both the venues, that is Parmarth Ghat and Triveni Ghat, devotees float tiny leaf boats with flowers and candles in their holy river. Their prayers carried away by the holy waters. Some sit silently in meditation, others capture the moment on their cameras, but everyone feels the same peace. This is Janki Setu, one of the most famous bridges in Rishikesh. It connects the busy part of the city to the peaceful ashrams on other side of the Ganges. Walking here, you feel the cool river breeze and hear the sound of holy bells from nearby temples. People come here for many reasons. Some to cross the river, some to enjoy the view, and others just to feel the calm energy of the place. Sadhus, holy men, often sit here lost in prayer while tourists capture the beauty of the river and mountains. The best time to visit: early morning for the soft sunlight, or evening when the bridge lights up and the Aarti prayer ceremony begins near the ghats. From here, you can see Lakman Jhula in the distance and another famous iconic places of Rishikesh.